To connect a Plus500 account to a TradingView account, follow these steps. The process depends on your location and the specific Plus500 entity you are using. In the United States, Plus500 US offers integration with TradingView for future trading. To connect, open your TradingView account. Click on the Trading Panel option at the bottom of the screen, and scroll down to find the Plus500 US option. Select it, then choose the account type you want to connect, either live or demo. Click the Connect button. Enter your Plus500 account details, including your username and password, and sign in. Your Plus500 account will then be connected to your TradingView account. However, for users outside the United States, such as those in India, the United Kingdom, and Canada, direct integration with TradingView is not currently supported by Plus500.